Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change the background on Teams. So to begin with, as you can see, we are at the Microsoft Teams meeting. So from here, tap on these three horizontal dots, go for background effects field. And in here, by default, it is set to be none, as you can see. So from here, just apply a blur or change the background to whatever is, whatever one you like. You can add your custom background as well by tapping on this plus field over here. So just pick an image from your gallery that you would like to make into a video background. So let's say I'll go with this screenshot. Then once you are ready to apply changes, just tap on done over here, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.